This error message commonly plagues PC gamers trying to play graphically intensive games. And if you're also experiencing the same problem, here's how to fix it. So firstly, try to roll back to the latest graphics driver update by opening Device Manager, double-click on Display Adapter, select Driver tab, then click on Rollback Driver and proceed with the process. You'd also update the driver from here. Now next is to utilize the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. To do it, open Run, type in the following, press Enter, then click Next to start the troubleshooting. Once done, select Apply this fix to rectify any issues Windows finds. Now another possible fix is to lower the Windows visual effects settings. To do so, search Advanced System Settings, go to Advanced tab, go to Performance section, click Settings option, then click the Adjust for Best Performance Ready button, which will deselect most, if not all of the effect checkboxes. Once done, select Apply and click OK. And those are the ways on how you can fix this display driver fail to start error on Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.